to Resources with Marie, and I am your host, Marie. Today, we have a great job opportunity. If you're not subscribed, please do so and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell. We do post every day. We're doing a work from home series. In this channel, you will see different types of things. We're not just committed to one thing, which would be work from home opportunities. We do have series. So maybe I will weave in other things in between this year. So to all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload. To all my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for being a part of the community, for hitting the notification bell, for hitting the like, for sharing, as well as for being so positive in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone for being patient while I have been out recovering from total knee surgery. Today, we want to share this wonderful work from home opportunity. Like I said, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Today, we have gone in. This one's a little bit different. So this is from hotelplanner.com. Remember, I leave links to everything down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, guys. I've been seeing a couple of really simple jobs. So this one, you make your own work schedule. You don't need any education. This is just, it's a great opportunity. This is from hotelplanner.com. This is a reservation specialist opportunity with this independent contractor. So that means you have no benefits and they take nothing out. So you have to be accountable for that, for paying taxes and for your own medical insurance and all of that. Okay, have that in mind. Okay, work anytime from any place. Become a hotel planner, reservation specialist, and earn commission anytime it's convenient for you and from the comfort of your home. Here is how it works. You need a high-speed internet, preferably with Ethernet, Chrome browser, and an audio headset microphone. An Apple headset mic may work too. Okay, so you need your computer, you need some good high-speed internet, as well as a headset. That's it. When your application is approved, you attend a training program on how to navigate the reservation system and how to help callers book hotels. So that's what you're going to do. Some of us are addicted to this, to looking for like vacation packages. So some of us are pretty good at this. When you sign in anytime, 24/7, you will be offered calls of customers looking to make hotel reservations. You don't need a phone. The call will be delivered through the Chrome browser via your internet connection and headset. So this is awesome. You don't need to buy yourself a separate phone or have a separate phone number, because your phone has nothing to do with this. You'll only need your computer, internet. Make sure you have your browser is Chrome browser and a headset. That's it. If you accept a call which results in a hotel booking, you earn commission based on the booking profit after the guest checks out. You are paid twice per month. So you don't get paid weekly, but twice per month via check or direct deposit. You are paid twice per month via check or direct deposit. As an independent contractor, here it is, no benefits are provided. So you will not have any benefits such as 401k, paid time off, medical plan. None of that will be with this particular job. You are accountable for all these things. But remember, you can do a 401k or a Roth IRA with your bank. So that's no problem. You can also search depending on how much you make, you can also search a health plan. So you have that. The better booking your results and service ratings, the more calls you get. So if you attend good calls and people do your surveys, then that you gave them good customer service, they will forward more calls to you. Based on your overall performance, you can expect to make $10 to $30 per hour. Actual amount vary depending on your sale performance and call demand when you sign in. I will show you this in a minute, but there is a video here if you guys want to know more details. Of course, I cannot play this because, the company within the company. So I can't, because of YouTube rules, I can't play that. But you guys, I'll leave the link down below so you can watch it at home. But this is an awesome opportunity. You work the hours that you want, whenever you want, as long as you want. You can be on vacation and take your laptop and answer calls from there. Like, this is an awesome, awesome, awesome opportunity. So hop on it, guys. Hop on it, hop on it. Of course, you will see your application has to be approved, so do have that in mind. Let's see if they tell us what we need. So you have to first create an account with them so that they can keep or here you put if you work in a hotel, but you have to make an account with them so that you're able to continue in the process. I think this is an excellent opportunity for caregivers. If you have a lot of children and, childcare is a little bit expensive. So this is a great opportunity because it'll lower your childcare because you'll only have them there. You could do this part-time. Also, if you have a primary job and you need some extra cash, this can also be a part-time thing. So jump on it. You can log in here. I guess the application is pretty extensive because here it says log in to continue your application. So it might be a little bit extensive, the application. So do bear in mind that you might need a little bit of time to sit down and fill this out. So hop on it. Go get that extra cash. This is the job opportunity we have today. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit a thumbs up if you like these work from home opportunities. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I would highly appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. The likes help the video to be pushed out more. Subscribe helps us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. And when you share, also new opportunities come in, as well as other people can be a part of the community. Maybe someone is really looking for that job, and we never know with these videos who can actually be a part or find themselves their dream job, or just that extra income that might be needed. Thank you so much for being a part of the community. If you want to follow us on Instagram at Resources with Marie, if you want to follow us on TikTok at Resources with Marie, our Facebook group will be linked down below. I'll leave everything linked down below. As per usual, the job opportunity link is also down below. Thank you so much for being patient and for being a part of the community. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I wish you the best of success and for you to find that dream job opportunity. I will catch you guys in the next video.